Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink the eFootball account from Game Center iPhone. First, tap the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and select Game Center. See which Apple ID is currently signed in under Game Center. Now, confirm that it's the account linked to eFootball. Next, tap Apple ID at the top of Game Center settings. Now, select Sign Out. This will unlink the current account from all games, including eFootball. After that, launch eFootball on your iPhone. The game should now prompt you to sign in with the new Game Center account or continue without linking. If you want to link a different Apple ID, go back to Settings, tap on Game Center and sign in. Now enter the new Apple ID credentials. Then open eFootball and confirm the new account is linked. Check your profile and save data in eFootball. Now recognizes the correct Game Center account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Current account from all games including eFootball. Without linking. Then open eFootball and confirm and save data in eFootball. Now enter the current account from all games including eFootball. Current account from all games including eFootball.